Cracking it, yeah. Yeah, it's going. Should I go for it? It doesn't go very far, but it's off camber. It's off camber and a bit hilly. Should be good. Yeah, down there. Oh yeah, that fell down. Oh, that wasn't down the other day. Yeah, I'll pull it out of the way. That wasn't there the other day. It's a bit off camber, isn't it? But after a few rides, it'll berm out. It'll make its own berms. Oh. A little bit steep. It's a little bit steep, but it's pretty good. It's a bit steep, but it's all right. Whoop! Oh, fuck. What's that, mate? Yeah, don't want to drop it trying to start it. Gives me traction like that, going straight, but on that slippery shit, just yeah, that'd be beautiful. Woohoo! Watch them come up. Go, 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 go! No worries. Shit on. We'll go back that way. keep going down.
This way, forward, down, left.
Straight ahead. Yeah. Oh, go, mate. Here you go. I'll get you on camera. Like, it doesn't look this steep when you're riding up it. Oh, $2! Woo! Beauty, mate. Fuck, look at that mud. Well, there's a lot of mud there. We'll go back up. That's the girls' way we made. I'm not sure how far up it goes though now. $2 for Lee. Yeah. Whoa, shit! Oh fuck, sorry mate! I did that, didn't I? Fuck! I'll get out of your way. Fuck if I can, get up there. Oh. 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 Well, that was close. Oh, it's got ya. You're right. Fuck, I can't get the brake. Got it. Whew.
Well, it's coming down way too quick.
Yeah, I deliberately go down slow.
Yeah.
Because otherwise you can't slow your momentum.
Couldn't get it off me fucking lap.
That's good. $4 already on this hill today. Woohoo! Hey? All right, cool. Yeah.
I just come down there full sideways.
This is why we didn't go up today. Yeah. Yeah.
If you would have kept going, it would have been right.
Yeah, I know, but I'd see what I had in front of me.
Oh, fuck yeah.
That big hole, and I thought...
I just kept sliding sideways.
Oh yeah, that's what Lee did. But I heard your bike and I thought, fuck, you're close. And then all of a sudden I felt your touch. And I thought, you're down.
Yeah, brothers.
Cool, mate. Huh? Oh yeah. Nip it up down the bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah, you might stack again. I got it, mate. Oh yeah. Woohoo! That's cool.
I got that on film.
Yeah, I'll try and get down now without slipping over. Oh yeah, cool. Yeah. Fuck, I'm sweating. Something on here.